Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by launching Task Scheduler as an administrator so tasks can run elevated when needed. Once open, click Create Basic Task to assign a clear name and short description. This helps later. Next, choose a trigger, daily, weekly, one time, or at logon, and set the start date and time. Make sure to pick a trigger that matches how often you want the automation. Otherwise, you'll be editing it later, which wastes time. Once the trigger is set, choose Action, typically start a program, and point to the exe or script file. You should add arguments if your script needs parameters, and the Start in folder to ensure relative paths resolve correctly. Then open Conditions and Settings. Enable Wake the computer if needed, configure retry and repeat intervals, and set a maximum run time. These options control reliability and prevent runaway processes, so adjust them to match your task's expected behavior. You finish by validating the task. Right-click it and choose Run to force an immediate execution, then inspect the History tab and last run result code. Once satisfied, export the task as an XML backup and enable task history so future failures record details. If the task fails, make sure the task uses the correct account, enable Run with highest privileges when needed, and verify file and folder permissions. This one troubleshooting step usually resolves permission and environment-related failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.